Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton announced a new legal filing that aims to end the whistleblower lawsuit against his office. Former high-ranking deputies claim they were wrongly fired after accusing Paxton of corruption. In Thursday's filing, Paxton's attorneys wrote that his office will no longer fight accusations from the whistleblowers. That would avoid a trial and prevent Paxton from testifying under oath. But as DuPree reports, the judge in the case has a different idea.
A Travis County District Court judge signed this order, setting February 1st as the day when Ken Paxton must answer questions under oath. She did so just one day after Paxton sought to end the lawsuit brought by 4 former employees, claiming retaliation for reporting alleged corruption. TJ Turner represents one of those whistleblowers.
I think the last thing Ken Paxton wants to do is put a hand on his Bible and tell the truth, and he's going to avoid that at all costs.
Paxton's filing highlighted his belief that he did nothing wrong, noting that the Texas Senate cleared him in his impeachment trial. Still, Paxton's lawyers wrote his office hereby elects not to contest any issue of fact in this case, and elects not to dispute the plaintiff's lawsuit. That shocked one of the men suing Paxton, who sees it as vindication.
And this is a total 180 that Ken Paxton's done. He is now saying he is not contesting our facts. The impeachment trial was based on our allegations. And now he's saying what we said is true.
He anticipates Paxton appealing the judge's order. However, that last resulted in the Texas Supreme Court rejecting his claim. If Paxton does eventually go under oath, he could invoke his Fifth Amendment right and not answer any questions. But legal expert Mike Golden said that could harm a defendant in this case.
The flip side is, in the civil case, their refusal to answer that question gets used against them in court. And the plaintiffs can argue to the jury, he didn't answer this question because he knew the answer would be bad for him.
DuPree, State of Texas.
A new campaign finance report shows that Paxton used more than $2 million in political donations to pay legal bills linked to his impeachment. The filing with the Texas Ethics Commission covers the period between July and December. After a strong showing during last week's freezing temperatures, ERCOT is looking to the future, how they plan to adapt to growing demand for power in Texas.
The main takeaway is just how many undecided voters there still are.
The Texas primary is in less than a month, and Democrats are unsure about who's taking on Ted Cruz. Our new poll shows who's in the race and why there could be a runoff.